These are the features and highlights of BendTech Pro. The Pro product contains everything available in EZ and EZ3D, but with even more additions. Use of the assembly designer and the ability to add all modules with the exception of SW and handrail are some very distinct advantages. Compared to the 6 bends that are offered in EZ and EZ3D, Pro offers a total of 10 bends per part. The assembly designer allows the user to assemble multiple lengths of tubing together in a single project. Each tube in the project can then be transferred out to another designer to get individual bending instructions for each. Users also benefit from detailed cutting wrappers that can be printed out and wrapped around the tubing to indicate a perfect cut every time. These print out to scale based on the outside diameter of the tubing selected by the user. Users with the sheet metal module will be able to place simple sheet metal panels in their assembly design. These can then be transferred out to the sheet metal interface and edited to the specifications of the user. The Centerline Adjustment tool in Pro allows users to change the centerline of the tubing to either inside or outside dimension. Pro also offers the springback library where the user can add entries for springback that will appear in the bending instructions while your parts generate. Finally, Pro offers the use of not only round and square tubing, but rectangular tubing entries as well. Further